Yo, it's 100 takes. I got my boy Tony.
What's poppin'?
Got my boy Real.
What's good?
Today we finna do a rebuild on NBA2K19.
Yes, sir.
But we finna randomize, pick a random team until we get a ring. Stop. Oh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that. Yes, sir.
Tony's favorite team is the Clippers.
Yeah. About to get come off in the Western Finals. Yeah. Yes, sir. You already know.
I still don't
Hey, no, we could have did the one with like Zion Williamson and all the other rosters.
But you got downloaded? No.
No, I'm saying you could have did it online.
Okay, you gonna
It's
talk?
too late, bro. It's too late.
Yeah.
You about to do the practice?
I'm about to cut injury off, your team won't be so trash.
Yeah, you'll cut injuries.
Hey, bro,
off.
most of the team
Hey.
actually straight though. Like,
Yeah,
that's
show
the
the
craziest
roster,
thing
bro.
about it, bro. Like,
They got.
I don't know, bro.
They got Beverly at small
bro.
forward, bro. No, bro. They got to change that up. Bro.
Yeah, we going first. We gonna make this nigga.
Oh, that boy got my
small
boy Gallinari.
He decent.
I know he was good on the Nuggets.
Nobody on this team decent, so don't say that.
You tripping Gallinari? Fine.
Yeah, y'all want to trade nobody?
I think we should trade. I don't know.
I don't know, but Shannon, he got a good shot. That's
What
you
the?
could,
You really ain't got no money if you think about it though.
You could take Motley, Jay Motley,
You not even finna play.
Wilson Chandler. Yeah.
You tripping?
Bro, nobody take it for. Oh, yeah,
Right.
yeah. I'm so sorry.
You could take McGruder.
Oh, you get Boban, bro.
You want Boban?
Good
Yeah,
shit.
we have Boban.
And Greg Monroe.
Yes.
They gonna be like,
You
them
know what
niggas
they do?
traded him for no reason. Oh yes.
You better be,
You tripping?
let's go ahead and be sorry.
Bro, trade Motley, man.
If it wasn't even play,
Right,
I'm gonna put this on there with
You gonna put him in the G
Bro,
League?
you. Yes, we suck, bro.
Bro, that man.
We gotta be good next year, bro. We'll
That's
put all
true.
these niggas in G League.
Ain't gonna have nobody good. This year.
Bro, hold on.
Ain't gonna have nobody good.
Hey, look, I'm telling you.
Man.
This how you win, bro.
How you winning taking out the good people?
That's what I'm saying.
Like, they're just
Nigga
outstanding,
go-
bro. And Zubac.
That nigga gonna be
Bro, he just want these
that
niggas
D
to
League,
lose,
that
bro.
D League team gonna be fire as
He just
hell.
want them to lose.
All right, look,
my
think about
team,
it.
bro.
When they overall go up next year.
Hey, that D League team gonna be fire as hell.
Exactly.
Right, bro,
Hey, but how y'all regular team doing?
Oh,
We ain't
I'm
gonna talk about
telling
that.
you, bro, them niggas on the ring.
They know that they win this year. No. You know what I'm saying? Give them all the
Man, this
minutes.
nigga getting Gallinari 40 minutes.
That's how you win.
Damn.
This team just trash all over.
Still got Doc Rivers.
Yeah, ready?
I mean, Doc Rivers, he a good coach. Hey, but I'm going all the way to the end of the season.
I'm
Hey,
not.
hey, we gonna send him to the All-Star break. Yeah, I lost the first game. Yeah, y'all beat me. Oh, all
Yeah,
right.
we beat
Oh, never mind.
I know about 1 point, so I mean,
Oh, damn, I don't know about that. This might be, hey, we might be up all night.
yes, sir.
It's gonna take a
Nigga,
long
that-
ass time. And I ain't finna make the playoffs
how
first
come we
season.
lose to the Magic, bro?
Oh, y'all already know who y'all losing
This
to.
nigga like we not cool with
Like,
Uh-oh, y'all already know who y'all playing.
like,
Let's get it.
I know we
Yes, sir. Get that whoop.
it. We should have won.
Yes, sir.
Y'all
No,
don't want to take this.
y'all already got Boban, and y'all got Zubac, though. Y'all don't have to trade one of them.
Zubac's in G League right now. Nah.
He gonna have to come up from the G League, though. And then y'all
No.
gonna have 3
No.
centers.
I don't do
Hey, y'all losing the air.
And we better have 10 wins.
Already got the playoff
it. Hey, but that team chemistry building.
He said that teammate can
Just like in real life, don't win though.
Very
Shut
good.
the fuck
Think about it. We just put all of G League and we still keeping up. Nah, I don't need him. Look, look at Mo, he gone.
You might want. You didn't even see the free agents, so.
Oh, yeah, we did beat the Pelicans.
Like, but we still got the talent, bro.
We
We
about to
playing
whoop
about
y'all
30.
We about to whoop y'all ass. Bullshit.
Yeah.
Real's favorite team is the Heat. My favorite team, the Warriors.
Yeah, man.
Don't say it in the comment section, cause you already finna get Clay.
Going LeBron was there. He just stayed with him.
Hey, at first he had the Cavs. He had the Cavs had on. Like, whoop, time to change caps.
No, I never liked the Cavs. They trash. Can't call
Nigga
you
took
a
the jersey
bandwagon.
on burnt that
Look, we
shit.
can't call him a bandwagon.
Hold up.
Like,
They don't win.
oh, Tristan Thompson. I don't know about that.
Oh,
They got Larry Nance Jr. at the center.
We can always change position.
That's what I'm saying. I could
We
have
can
sworn he's
change
at small
position, bro.
forward.
Bro, take the trade, bro.
You sure you want to take that?
Yeah, bro, cuz they
Montrez is there. Bro, that's your best big man.
We don't want to make power
This
forward.
nigga.
Larry Nance or Tristan Thompson?
Or,
Larry Nance,
yeah, Larry Nance can be like that with power.
Yeah,
man. He is a good player, though.
Yeah,
ain't
he
gonna
ain't
lie,
trash.
if we start losing, it's your fault, Tony. I'm just letting you know.
That's what I'm saying, because Zero.
See, I hate Moody. You suck.
I'm sure we'll probably trade back.
Yeah, I didn't mean it. Ugly. I was just playing. Had my fingers crossed. Ugly.
Nah, I forgot. You gotta make him sit, man.
Damn, nigga.
Right, yeah, sit, make out.
Nigga, Lil Will finna be tired as shit.
Injuries off, so he's not getting hurt.
Bro, watch out.
Okay. Damn, that was, oh yeah, go ahead. Get that L.
Fuck up.
15,
What the
damn.
fuck,
Bro,
At least y'all
Who
beat
the
the
fuck is on the
Lakers.
Kings, bro?
I just want y'all to know,
At least y'all beat the
we're gonna
Lakers.
try to fast forward this party.
Ugly. Ooh, y'all can get John Collins.
No, we're not trying to do it.
Damn, John Collins. What the fuck did he do this year?
Excuse me?
We just
John
put this ball to
Collins?
Sixers.
John Collins? You tripping.
Yeah.
That boy's good.
He decent this year.
He's there.
Ugly.
But how the fuck we keep losing to the Magic? I guess we got some good people on their team.
They got Aaron Gordon.
Oh, damn, that brought down the
DJ Augustine.
I ain't beat that.
Ugly. Yeah, you should never trade
But that's
Zero.
not just say our record still ain't 5.
Zero was the all best. He was the one keeping the core together.
Bro,
Trade
we're
that
winning,
nigga.
bro.
Nope.
Damn.
You better stop jinxing. Oh, y'all already know y'all gonna lose to my Warriors.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, what if we win?
Psych.
So close. I'm gonna try to get y'all back.
They like, this nigga ass. They said, this nigga ass. Let me get this nigga back.
Hope you'll shoot mama this.
Uh-oh. About to play the Heat. Ah!
I'm switching team.
I
I got rid of everybody. We still losing.
oh, they can get Rudy Gay. Hey, everybody want Lou Will. God damn.
That's what I'm saying, bro. We're gonna keep it real. I don't get no fuck.
In real life, too.
Okay. Who did he play for before the Clippers?
I think the Hawks.
He played for the Raptors.
Yeah, he played for the Rockets.
He did play for the Hawks.
He did. The All-Star captain took him on.
He did. He started his career with the Hawks. He did.
Look it up.
Bro.
I got you.
Nah,
Hold
you
on, I got
look
you.
it up on your phone.
Yeah, I'm about to pull up on there.
Oh, he played for Houston. See, told you played
Oh,
for
he did
Houston.
play for Atlanta. What year?
Like 2013.
Before you were born.
Now, you know he bandwagon.
Hey.
You won?
I ain't gonna care, bro. I don't go for any Atlanta
Lou
team.
Will, okay. Well, Lou Will
I do
leading the
not
team.
support Atlanta teams, bro. Them niggas is not good. Well, they good. It's just like
Off the bench.
they be choking like a bitch.
Man, I told you I made a smart trade. Obama, get my boy.
Yes.
This nigga starting. He averaging good rebounds though.
Hey, come on, y'all don't want our players in G League? Look at this. Come on, 25 points.
Damn.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Just put these niggas back in.
I've been funny since.
Bro, but we actually are 30 and 25 though. I mean, that's pretty decent.
Look at this. When he come over here, we're gonna be 85, bro.
Hey, go
All
on.
you need gonna be good.
Let's look at the standings. See where we at. Where everybody at.
Trash.
Oh,
We in the playoff. Yeah.
In the playoff picture, okay.
We ain't train nobody.
You sure did.
I said we
Yeah,
ain't. Come on now.
to the Celtics, so I know that.
We ain't train nobody.
Nah. We can see what we can get though.
For who though?
I don't know.
Hey, what y'all know about this song?
Please don't.
It's Travis Scott. But I ain't gonna count like this album was actually good.
I mean, we do got too many big man.
Yeah. I think it's this album, then the rodeo.
The rodeo was alright.
You
I don't know, bro. It's like after Window, I was like,
tripping.
I guess because Window just got so played out.
Apple
I couldn't
Pie,
really get it separate.
Nightcrawler.
I gotta give you Apple Pie and Nightcrawler.
Apple Pie, fire. I'm saying, it's
After
Apple
that,
We're not getting nobody.
He fucked that song up. That shit was weird.
We're not getting
Todd
nobody.
Gibson.
We can
Yeah,
get him.
Luke King. He a good shooter.
You got one?
Hey, nah. He about to trade my orders. Nah, I'm good. Keep going.
You want Antonio?
Nah, bro. No,
Come on, man. Ain't
You
nobody
can trade
else.
somebody from the Heat.
I should go get Derrick Jones Jr.
I don't know what's wrong with you and Derrick Jones.
Used to go.
We gotta make sure we got sign people too. Contract extension.
But you get the Warriors, the Celtics.
Oh, I'll beat the Celtics.
If I'm not the best GM, we still make the playoffs. Come on.
Hey, bro, we better beat these niggas too, bro.
The Grizzlies. Oh, y'all turning up now.
Okay.
Oh, no. Y'all making up for it. Oh, never mind.
We lose to all the
Let's
smaller
see.
teams.
I was about to say, could have seen
I did, bro.
Damn. Tristan Thompson and y'all niggas dirty, bro.
Everybody saying no on that thing, man. We gotta get Boban now.
Yeah, get him back. Yes, sir.
Nah, Timber can go.
Yeah, Tim.
Yeah, he sucks.
Wait, hold on. We got a lot of more people. We got
Pat Bev.
You sure that's a good defender, though. He don't deserve that much money, but he's a good defender.
Right, we're not paying him.
I don't know, bro. I
That
feel like
nigga money hungry, yeah.
Somebody 2 years?
No, I ain't gonna say no to you.
No, we gonna give him a team just in case we say no.
Yeah. Look, that nigga money hungry, bro.
bring that shit down a little bit, though.
Yeah.
He really ain't gonna resign.
He really not worth it, bro. Like, I don't know.
Oh,
It's a good backup, though.
Yeah. Yeah, that boy, he ain't do nothing for y'all anyway.
He clamped that KD.
I'm talking about Tristan Thompson. He want to test free agency.
Oh, no, we don't feel him anyway. He can leave. I was gonna trade him anyway.
Bro, like, the Clippers, I was proud of them this year, bro. Like, I know we got knocked out in the first round again, but like,
It's because y'all start trading somebody there.
For real.
nah, bro.
That's what y'all messed up at.
Oh, y'all was first
Bro, it's
seed.
the fucking Warriors.
Y'all was first seed. Y'all wouldn't
Y'all
play
should
the
never
Warriors.
traded. Y'all
It
should
wasn't
never
even
traded
to-
somebody's hair.
no.
How you trade when you win
We
it?
traded him afterwards, bro. When we went down to the AC. We was actually out of the playoffs when we traded
No,
him.
y'all was fifth seed.
Yeah, we was fifth.
That's
Still in
you
the
want to
playoffs.
play the Warriors.
Somebody ain't came back.
The Kings started losing too, bro. Everybody just started losing. Y'all spread him.
Know what I was saying, bro. Like,
Hey, look, hey, man, we
I
don't
know
trade
the
somebody's
Kings-
hair.
I know the Clippers just going off right now because the Kings up there too.
I want the Kings to win, bro.
Yeah, the Kings should have made it to the playoffs. For real. I have a feeling they're going to make it next season. I got them like 7 or 8.
Nah, they can't be 8. The Warriors gonna be 8.
No, sometime my Warriors, no.
I ain't gonna care if y'all lose KD, bro.
We not losing him. We already got.
I ain't gonna say that.
We lose.
You all like 50.
Oh yeah, there we go. Let's get it. 3 time.
I'm finna override this.
3 time.
We should make a clip.
Who wait? Who on the rookie again? Oh, Trey Young.
We should have kept about.
Should've
We
been
should
like-
have kept Harold.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Watch that season. We finna go
Bro,
crazy.
you cannot go for the Warriors with your Clippers right now.
Ooh. Nobody from the Clippers made
Yeah.
it.
Clippers are trash.
Defensive team? Oh no.
We have nobody. Okay, we'll be similar to the all season. Oh, we made the
Okay, y'all
playoffs.
made the playoffs. Oh, guess who y'all playing though?
We got
See
this.
you later.
Play.
Hey, give me the get. Hey, make them sweet.
All right, that's what we gonna do, right? You ready?
Oh, Lil Will on fire, boy.
Look at that overall now. You see that?
-5. I'm seeing -5.
I mean, his overalls went down.
It really went up, bro. See, he was 70, now he at 83.
Yeah.
Nigga, 80
Yeah, he
minus
was 70, 76.
It's like it's at 83.
It's, yeah.
But he went down though.
So
Know what I'm saying?
when the season starts, he's gonna be 83.
Yeah.
Well, start to play.
Wow.
That's
Because
cool.
the G League has your overall go up.
Yeah. And then if you got high potential too.
See, that's why I do it. See, you gonna mess with me.
This man finna kill Lil Will. Lil Will finna be like,
Chill, bro.
I ain't finna be the 106 man. I better be a starter. Dang.
Look. Oh, that nigga, he sucks.
Cuz, bro, he not supposed to be playing all that
All right,
minutes, bro.
Give him at least 35.
30. Give him 30, bro. Because he's not supposed to be playing.
All right, we got 18 minutes left. What we doing the rest?
Give my boy Greg Monroe rest.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Look what number he is.
Yes, sir. Come on, now.
I'm gonna give him some more minutes. Right?
There we go. We good. Oh, look how we get Greg Monroe. Look how we get Greg Monroe. So let's go.
He went 1 for the real. Yeah,
So,
Bro, Lou will win 5 for 15.
no way.
Oh, yeah.
No
Yeah,
way.
yeah,
No
yeah,
way.
Yeah, I like that.
No way.
I think he only win because it's home. You'll never know.
No way,
We're home.
bro.
Oh,
I was about to say, bro. I was about to say, bro. No. Oh,
Where Pat Beverly's defense at right now?
Ooh, my boy Curry had 11 assists.
Shut up. We lost.
Let's go.
Let's go Heat. Oh, damn.
Oh, I thought y'all made it for real. Who? Oh, the Hawks. Crazy made it. Oh, yeah, we beating the Wolves. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Bro, why you going for the Warriors with the Clippers right now?
Okay.
No.
You just mad that he didn't make it to the playoffs.
I
No
was-
way.
If I was in control,
Oh yeah. We're gonna get them Rockets out. Get them Rockets out. Bye. See you later. Yep. Oh,
No
easy
way.
dub. Easy dub. Sweet. Get the brooms out. Yes, sir. 4-1.
That nigga
Woo.
get the brooms out.
and they won.
Woo.
I tell you what, wait till next year. We're gonna be right there. Especially when we take KD.
I believe it. Oh, come on, get my boy Vince Carter now.
We care about them bones.
Dirt? Could have dirt.
Nah, they cheap.
Oh, you can eliminate the 5-second back to basket.
Shame.
How?
Yeah, I feel like we should. We
Oh,
trying,
yeah.
Y'all trying to go to the East? I'm just playing. Look, he second pick, like get it.
I want to Warriors.
And we got no pick. We got nothing. Do we have a pick at all?
I don't think so.
I tell you what, this team is really trash now. Oh, we don't have a pick, so.
Hey, but I feel like by the end of this summer, I should be able to jump.
Yeah, we don't care about these niggas, right?
I know you ain't this.
What?
Doc Rivers, bro.
Oh, no, he's still on there.
I was about to say.
Oh, I ain't firing him. He
You
can
trying
go.
to fire Doc Rivers?
No.
I
Yeah, I don't want
Hey, you got to go on Hayward's son.
him. He 5'9".
Oh, yeah.
Hey, brother, he can be good.
Look at that boy's potential real quick.
Nigga can't even shoot.
His potential good.
Nah,
He
we good.
Look at potential, though.
got a good potential.
Feel
He a pass first point though.
yeah, we don't want none of these niggas. We got it. Especially,
You ever saw somebody big?
yeah, we about to sign Kevin Durant.
Man, that's been always declining his. Man,
Who
I
wants
hate
to
2K.
We get Zoo back.
Oh yeah, go ahead and bring him back. Yes, sir.
Let's see if we can get Harold back.
Nah, Harold only got one more year
Ooh,
left.
Are we get Kyrie?
Oh,
We
can't
ain't
do
got no
four.
money. I ain't got
We trade
no
all
money.
written in, still can't afford it.
You try to get Kawhi?
We taking all these booty niggas off.
Hey man, grab Merle.
Hey, man, we need to get our money, man. We taking everybody off except Zoo back. Bro, we still don't got no money, bro. We got $21 million. Ain't nobody on our team rich.
Shouldn't have let no
Oh,
guy
we're
know.
gonna trade Triple Sons. Which one y'all? Which one of these? You know.
I said trade Tristan Thompson. He getting old.
See, and you got Rudy.
And,
Oh,
then,
you-
and then he decided to. Oh, and my boy Carrot. I call him Carrot.
You call him Carrot.
Or Kakarot. We call
Like
him
the dumbest nigga.
that.
Yeah.
Oh, Tim Hardaway
Hardaway
too?
Jr.
Bro, we probably losing money. How you gonna sign
Oh.
KD to get him?
Oh yeah, that's true. Surge, my boy Surge.
I ain't gonna lie. Like, do y'all really care about KD?
No,
Huh?
he about to lead the Warriors. I don't care.
Antonio, you really want KD?
Yeah.
You do?
You better get Kawhi.
Shut your fucking ass up, bro.
What? Wait,
It's
what's up?
okay, bro. You gotta understand, bro. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, mom.
Man, you gotta think about it,
You're
bro.
gonna get
Like,
demonetized. First it up at first. As soon as we upload this shit,
oh, God,
YouTube like you failed the guidelines.
bro, you gotta think about it, though, bro. Like,
But if y'all get this man,
KD is like the best player in the world.
bro, I'm
He is.
dead, bro. Listen, we offer him more money, like.
If
come
y'all gave him
on, bro.
5 years.
And then look at it.
Say cheese. Look, we don't care about nobody except KD, so.
We really do.
So we're gonna be a 4 right now. We're not getting digital for real. Like, y'all want to on him? Nah. I mean, we got 10 players. You know what? We trying to. You want to win now? We trying to win now.
Shit, I don't think we can get everybody else.
What,
We
we-
take all the money niggas out of what's it called.
Yeah, we finna win now.
Yeah, cause shit, we got KD. Hey, bro, you wanna get a double stack at your car, bro? That bitch do something good, bro.
Oh, you go get it.
Huh?
That man said, huh? I'll drop it down to you.
Hey, I need to bring them dogs.
I watch you from the
I don't like how we not getting nobody for this nigga.
Dario Surge.
Is he gonna help us win here?
Yes.
Now.
Yes.
He helping us win now.
Bro, I thought this was it.
Look at that.
That shit.
Shabazz Napier, really?
Bro, they're not helping us winning, bro.
Shabazz Napier
Shit,
ain't
you want to
going
take
for
this?
us. No.
Well, all right, bro. Just,
Josh
all
Hart.
right, we're going to have to keep him, bro.
Huh?
We're going to keep him, bro.
Who?
Learn that. But I mean, like, this team is decent, bro.
Yeah, look.
Just take
All we got two
just
small
take all
forwards,
the
bro.
niggas out of G League, bro. And,
We did, bro. We
You gotta trade the little Gallinari.
We just signed that nigga. So y'all want nobody else?
Tobias here.
We can afford him, bro.
Zubac.
Bro,
Dang.